About 50 million years ago, the Indian subcontinent collided with Eurasia, a force that not only raised the Himalayas, but reshaped the planet. From this immense uplift emerged the world's largest and highest plateau, where thin air and isolation nurtured unique landscapes, cultures, and spiritual traditions. In eastern Tibet's Chamdo region, the Mekong, Salween, and Yangtze rivers carved deep gorges through jagged peaks. For centuries, this land marked the start of the Tea Horse Road, an ancient trade route carrying pure tea across high passes to Lhasa. Today, the same terrain is crossed by China's National Highway 318, over 5,000 kilometers from Shanghai to the Nepal border. Its Tibetan stretch, nicknamed the Road to Heaven for its dizzying passes, glacier-fed rivers, and prayer-flag-lined slopes. In Markham, salt terraces carved into red cliffs have been worked by hand for over 1,300 years. Each family's salt pans are a spiritual inheritance, and the work, preceded by ritual, is seen as karmic duty. Further along the road, the 72 turns, a dangerous descent of hairpin bends, tests travelers' courage. Mani stones carved with Buddhist prayers stand as silent guardians along the route. In the wind-scoured town of Ding, the rust-colored red mountains rise suddenly, believed to be home to protective spirits. High above them, the nearly unreachable Zong Monastery clings to the cliffs, a refuge for monks and nuns living in years-long silence. The landscape softens in Nyingchi, the Switzerland of Tibet, where snow peaks give way to lush valleys and subtropical forests. Here lies the Yarlung Tsangpo Grand Canyon, the deepest in the world, where the river curves sharply around the sacred Namcha. In spring, peach blossoms paint the valleys in pink, a fleeting season of renewal. Westward lies Ali, the roof of the world, a vast high-altitude desert of wind, lakes, and eerie rock formations like the Zander Earth Forest. Here stand the ruins of the Guj Kingdom, once a flourishing Buddhist realm now reduced to silent, sun-baked walls. Rising beyond is Mount Kailash, revered by Buddhists, Hindus, Jains, and followers of Bon as the center of the universe. Pilgrims circumambulate its 52 km base, seeking spiritual cleansing. Nearby, Lake Manasarova shimmers, believed to wash away lifetimes of karma. In Nagku, the Changtang Plateau stretches empty and wild, home to nomads, wild antelope, and high holy lakes like Namtso. Farther still, the land becomes almost uninhabited, one of the largest wilderness areas on Earth. Eventually, barley fields and villages reappear in Shigatse, Tibet's granary, crowned by Tashil Hunpo Monastery, seat of the Panchen Lama. Historic fortresses like Jianxizong recall battles against British forces, while the nearby Palcho Monastery blends three Buddhist traditions under one roof. The journey climbs again through the 108 bends to Jiawu La Pass, revealing 5 of the world's tallest peaks. At Everest Base Camp, Chomolungma, the goddess mother of the world, dominates the horizon. The route continues to the cradle of Tibetan civilization in the Yarlung Valley, home to Yumbulagang Palace and ancient royal tombs. Holy lakes like Yamdrok, shaped like a scorpion and believed to be the incarnation of a goddess, lie cradled among peaks. Finally, Lhasa rises, the place of the gods. Pilgrims circle Jokhang Temple, Tibet's holiest site, where the sacred statue of Jowo Shakyamuni resides. Overlooking it all, the Potala Palace stands as both fortress and monastery, a towering testament to Tibet's enduring faith and identity. In Tibet, the journey is never just about the road. It's a passage through landscapes where earth and spirit meet, and where tradition continues to rise, quietly, faithfully, toward the sky.